Hello, how to add the double-sided arrowhead dimensions. So I am aware of two ways. I will show you the first one. So while creating a sketch over here, you will notice the length and breadth of the rectangle. So first what I'll do is I'll type 10 and then tab and I'll write 20 and that is done. So now you'll notice that there is double-sided arrowheads, but in case you are just randomly creating something and exited, so now there is no arrowheads. How can you add those missing double-sided arrowheads? It is the second option is over here, dimensions. You'll notice the cursor prompts a double-sided arrowhead below and select it, and you'll notice the double-sided arrowheads are over here. Now this even gives you the chance to edit the existing circle that you have. So if I'll left click it, you'll notice this is 25, enter, and it's done. But now if I want to edit it once again, I'll double click it and I can do it 20, so it reduces the diameter of the circle. So that's it. Yeah.